Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of General Knowledge. Children, in my previous video, I had explained about plants around us such as trees, shrubs, herbs, etc. Children, today I am going to teach you about some special plants which help us with their nutrients and medicinal values. Children, kindly open your book, page 10, lesson 7. Lesson 7, and the name of the chapter is Knowledge Bank. So children, let us increase our knowledge with the help of Knowledge Bank. Children, today we are going to study about some special plants. These are number 1, aloe vera, number 2, neem, number 3, mint, number 4, amla, and number 5, turmeric. Children, look at this tray. Here I have these special plants. Here you can see aloe vera. This is aloe vera. These are neem leaves. These are mint leaves, which is also called pudina. These are amla. This is turmeric, and when it is crushed, it becomes turmeric powder. Children, now look at page 10, lesson 7, Knowledge Bank. Children, the first picture given here is of aloe vera. Look at this plant. This aloe vera is a well-known trusted remedy to treat skin inflammation. Aloe vera is a trusted remedy to treat skin inflammation, breakouts and burns. Its juice is well known to boost a weak immune system. Children, aloe vera is very well trusted remedy. If you cut aloe vera, then you will be able to see jelly like thing. It is used to cure breakouts and burns. It is used to treat skin inflammation. Inflammation means a painful swelling on the skin caused by some infection. Aloe vera juice is known to boost our immune system. What is immune system? Immune system protects our body against infections. Infections are caused by germs. Now let us look at the next picture. This is the picture of neem tree. Neem is beneficial in fighting against fungal infection. Its antifungal elements keeps the harmful bacteria and fungi away. It protects the skin and keeps the skin related diseases away. Children, neem helps in fighting against fungal infection. What is fungal infection? Disease caused by fungus is called fungal infection. Children, harmful bacteria and fungus cause skin problems like rashes and other problems. Skin problems occur due to these fungus which live in dirt, on plants, on household surfaces, and in our skin. Neem protects the skin and keeps the skin related diseases away. Children, all parts of neem tree such as leaves, fruits, and bark have wonderful medicinal properties. Now children, look at the picture 3. Picture 3 shows this mint leaves. It is a mint plant. Mint is a calming and soothing herb that has been used for thousands of years to aid upset stomach or indigestion. Children, all of you must have enjoyed mint chutney at home. It is made from mint leaves. Also, mint is known for calming effect. It has been used for thousands of years to stop stomach problems such as upset stomach or indigestion. Now let us see the next picture. Picture number 4. Amla. Amla or gooseberry is a potent source of vitamin C and also contains iron and calcium. It reduces blood sugar, boosts immunity and purifies blood. Children, Indian gooseberry, that is amla, is a powerful source of vitamin C. It also contains iron and calcium. All these are very good for our health. It reduces blood sugar. Blood sugar or glucose is the main sugar found in your blood. It comes from the food we eat and is your body's main source of energy. Amla also boosts immunity and purifies blood. Children, nowadays during pandemic, we must have it to boost our immunity and protect ourselves from illness. The next picture, picture number 5, is turmeric. Turmeric is a root that has a regular use in our kitchens and lives. It provides relief from arthritic pain and it is also good for brain and indigestion. Children, as you all know, turmeric is commonly used in our kitchen. It is used by your mother while cooking vegetables, dals, etc. She puts turmeric in these things. Children, turmeric is actually a root which is dried and made into powder form. It is known to be a very good antiseptic. It provides relief from arthritic pain or joint pain. It is also good for brain and in digestion. So children, that's all for now. Your homework will be to read the lesson well, learn the names of these medicinal plants and their properties. Thank you.